We are stepping into the future of affordable flagship smartphones with the POCO F7. Yes, you heard it right. A phone with the powerhouse Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor under $300. Is it too good to be true? Let's dive deep into this monster of a device. From performance to gaming, cameras to battery life, I'll cover it all, and spoiler alert, you're in for a treat. First, let's talk about what you get in the box. As expected, POCO packs in value. Along with the phone, you get a 90-watt fast charger, a USB Type-C cable, and an innovative gray-style protective cover. Unlike clear covers that get dirty over time, this one is practical and stylish. The moment you hold the POCO F7, you'll feel its premium aluminum frame combined with a lightweight plastic back. It's sturdy but doesn't feel heavy in hand. And those super thin bezels? Just wow. Speaking of design, the POCO F7 is a mixed bag. The aluminum frame adds a premium touch, but some might find the plastic back less appealing. However, it's all about preferences. It comes with an IP68 rating, which means it's dust and water resistant. A huge bonus in this price range. But the design is subjective, so tell me in the comments, do you like the look of the POCO F7? This is where the POCO F7 starts to shine. It boasts a 6.78-inch AMOLED display with a 120Hz refresh rate. The screen's brightness peaks at 1400 nits, making it perfect for outdoor use. Colors are vibrant, blacks are deep, and the HDR10 Plus support ensures your Netflix sessions look stunning. Whether you're gaming, streaming, or just scrolling, this display is a feast for the eyes. Now let's talk performance. The heart and soul of this beast. The Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor is a powerhouse, clocking over 2 million points on Antutu benchmarks. For context, that's on par with phones priced over $50,000. Whether you're editing videos, multitasking, or running demanding apps, this phone handles it effortlessly. Gamers, listen up. The POCO F7 comes 90 FPS ready out of the box, which is rare at this price. Popular games like BGMI and COD Mobile run smoothly, but there are some hiccups. At 120 FPS, you'll notice frame drops and heating issues during extended sessions. The good news? The cooling system does a decent job of managing heat, but it's not perfect. The battery on this device is a showstopper. It packs a massive 6,550 mAh battery that easily lasts over a day, even with heavy use. And thanks to the 90-watt fast charger, you can juice it up in just under an hour. No battery anxiety here. POCO has equipped the F7 with a versatile triple-camera setup. The main sensor captures sharp and vibrant images, even in low light. The ultrasonic fingerprint scanner is fast, and the unique camera module design sets it apart from its competitors. We'll need to test it further, but initial impressions are promising. Software is a bit of a mixed bag. While the device runs on MIUI 15, it comes with pre-installed Chinese apps and some bloatware. You'll need to remove these for a cleaner experience. That said, the overall UI is smooth, and regular updates are expected. Here's the real kicker. All this for under $30,000. POCO is redefining value for money with the F7. Competing with phones like the iQOO Neo 7 and Redmi K60, the F7 offers flagship performance at a mid-range price. So should you buy the POCO F7? If you're after raw performance, great battery life, and modern features at a budget-friendly price, this phone is a no-brainer. However, if you're looking for perfect gaming stability or premium materials, you might want to look elsewhere. POCO F7 delivers big in most areas, and it's hard to ignore its value proposition. What are your thoughts on the POCO F7? Are you as excited as I am? Drop your comments below, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more in-depth reviews. Until next time, stay tech-savvy.